Yeah, my people, nice to have you again. So, today, we are going to look about some curry fish with crackers today. So, we're going to get them in our business, start to get things done. So, stay tuned and watch we are doing. We're going to clean up the fish them first. If all of them clean up right, but I'll give them another wash. So, what I'm gonna do now, I'll get the fish them seasoned now. I'm gonna use some fish season. I'm gonna take just a little tip of salt. Alright, my people. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the season done, wash off. They already cleaned up already, so I can just get them washed off. Pepper are pretty, you know, I love them bell pepper. Half of the tree, me just pick it, you know. Half of the tree, me just pick it. You see the one light, they go and get red. Yeah, nice. Yeah man, get the seasoning and wash off for now. Make sure everything washed the proper way. So as far as you can see, my people, you can see them already clean up before. Get the water drain off. So now we start get the seasoning and cut up the proper way now first. We're gonna cut up the bell pepper. scallion. So, yeah, my people, this is all the ingredients that we are going to use right now. We got the scallion, the okra, we got the thyme, and we got the bell pepper, we got the carrot, and we have a little piece of ginger, or did have over here, so you know ginger nice in a fish, get a different flavor, you know what I mean? Yeah man, ginger very nice. And a little piece of garlic. Yes man. Oh my god. Yeah man, so we got the onion, we got the bell pepper, carrot, scallion and thyme, and a little piece of ginger, and a little piece of pepper. We don't really want much pepper. Yeah my peeps, we're gonna go and get the Irish potato them peel. Get, you see, potato them, wash off. Irish potato them wash off the proper way. So we get them wash off now. I'm gonna cut up the Irish potato. Just like that, you know? Yeah man, this one I'm gonna love it. So what we're gonna do on the paper, we're gonna get the pot together. Yeah. So we have everything, or we want likewise. Yeah man. We're gonna add a little tip of jerk seasoning. So we're gonna add a little piece of garlic. Get it washed off before you do nothing. Yeah, that is good. Alright peeps, so the pot get hotter now. So what we're gonna do, get the butter, throw in the pot so we can burn the curry. I'll get the curry, throw in the pot now. Have the curry go and burn. We're not gonna make the curry burn till it black. We're not gonna do that. Just want the curry, have a little flavor, you know. We're gonna throw the garlics with the ginger, make them go and burn, give the pot a little flavor. We're gonna dash a little piece of pepper. We don't want too much because the pepper is very hot. So let them go and do them thing. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna throw in all this season. Bell pepper. Then we have the okra. Then we have the pepper, very spicy full pepper in the man. Then we have the carrot. Still have some okra leaf over. We got the onion. We got a piece of thyme. We got the scallion. Then we have the Irish potato. That is it, my people. That is it, man. Wow. To go and get some flavor, you know? Yeah, man. Go and get me some flavor, you know? I'll go get a little bit more tip of water. Yeah. Yeah, my people, that is it. Get the pot covered in the meanwhile and make the fire go and do for them work. Another check on the pot now. You see where I'm going? Yeah, my people. Looking so lovely, you know? Looking wonderful. I got dropped another piece of butter inside the pot now. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Alright. Anytime we check in back on the pot again, we're going to put in the fish then. Another check, we check in on the pot, and the fish them are going. So sit and look and observe, share and leave a comment. Remember my people, share the video, please my people. Yeah, that is it. Looking so lovely. So we're going to give the fish them just a little slice. Knife, don't need man how much knife me have. Can't believe. Alright my people, first one. Second one. Now when I already slice everything. Whoa, damn. Very nice ball out, you know? Into you cook and piece of whatever you cook, drop out. I will say, God now, who want? Judge God. Yeah. Look at that. You wanna? I'm gonna drop in the crackers them right now. We are gonna drop in the crackers, get the salt can't cut back. We're gonna drop in the crackers them. What the crackers? My God! Drop in the crackers them slowly. Slowly, you know? Yeah? Lovely. The crackers going right on here, you know? We now use all the crackers in store. Now just 3 of us. Yeah, my people, I gotta make it go and stay, doing thing. So, catch it, and we check in back on it. Another time we check in, I'm not gonna see what it look like. I'm out. Yeah, my people, everything come to an end now, you know, so I gotta turn off the stove, get the pot off, share some food, so I start consume some food. So, until I share the food, we're gonna make us see our party. So, catch it, and we'll get the food shared. Catch it home. Go that plate, you know. And you know, say, from plate to belly, you know, thinking easy. You know, man, I'm still not what all day. You know, go work. I'm trying to follow. You know, go work, man. Can loan consume. You know what I mean? So, come again. Wow, looking lovely, ain't it? Wow. Back up, man. Get not so close to me. Yeah, my people, that is it. That is it, you know? So, we're gonna consume some food now, my peeps. Yeah, we're gonna consume some food, so it tastes like, you know? So I have to give God thanks for everything He has done for us, you know? So, you know, everything going to peeps. Love Almighty God. Oh my God. Yeah, my people. Very nice. Very nice. Not because me cook it, must say it nice. Very nice. Believe it. Very nice. Yeah. So what are we gonna do now, peeps? Thank you so very much for your lovely support. Thank you so very much for watching each and every video we put up. We appreciate that a lot. So we're gonna consume some food now. So want to just like, share, leave a comment and subscribe. So catch you now in another adventure. We have an epic adventure come up for now.